Welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show two different fusions, two different color combination in same price point in luxurious Banarasi soft silk material. One saree you received at just rupees 1450 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost, and we have more than 4500 plus designs in different category in different price points. So must be visit our website www.vastranand.in. Let me show you the full detailings of this saree. First product you receive the magenta color combination with lotus weaves in entire the both side of this border part. In middle parts you receive the copper zari weaves with a silver zari detailings in entire the butta part. Here you can see the rich pallu with the same anmol zari with the copper zari fusions, the lotus patterns in entire the rich pallu part. This saree you received at just rupees 1450 Kanivini Aragani designs in affordable price point. Here you can see the full look of this saree. Both sides you receive the same size border. Here you can see the same size border with a purely weaves material saree. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. You can call anytime with any language support. Here you can see the self brocade blouse piece with the same magenta color combinations. We are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Here you can see the second color options. The lemon yellow color combinations with Rama fusions in entire the border and pallu parts. Look at the beauty of this geometric with the Rudraksham buttas in entire the border part. In middle parts you receive the triangle square patterns in entire the border as well as in body part. This saree also you received at just rupees 1450 free shipping all over India. Both side you receive the same size border. Here you can see the same size border. We are providing you video call facility. If you like to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available. So must be booked one day before in our customer care executive number 8154000063 Monday to Saturday. And we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. If you like our collection, then like chandi, share chandi, subscribe chandi our YouTube channel. Must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand. And daily we are launching 4 to 5 different products. Here you can see the Rama color combination self brocade blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.in.